Teens Vitality Soft Gels is a food supplement containing the precious wheat germ oil, as well as soy lecithin and beta-carotene. Wheat germ oil is a cold-pressed cereal oil. It is the most abundant source of vitamin E and contains a variety of important elements, such as proteins, vitamins, and dietary fibers. It also contains particularly high amounts of beta-tocopherol, the most biologically active form of vitamin E. Wheat germ oil is also a rich source of unsaturated fatty acids, such as linoleic and linolenic fatty acids, which have important properties related to maintaining the normal protective function of the skin. Alpha-linolenic fatty acid also has a protective influence on cell membranes and contributes to the preservation of good blood cholesterol levels. Lecithin, as a constitutive element of the nervous system, enhances the development of the nervous system. 2 capsules of Teens Vitality Soft Gels meet 96% of your daily needs in vitamin E. Teens Vitality Soft Gels is also a source of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Teens Vitality Soft Gels is a powerful anti-fatigue agent that improves your stamina, gives your skin a great-looking tone, and makes you look younger, maintains your blood vessels by softening them, helps regulate the blood circulatory system, prevents arteriosclerosis, prevents cardiovascular diseases, regulates blood lipids and reduces cholesterol, increases the speed of information transmission and develops brain energy, protects the eyes against macular degeneration and improves your eyesight. Since they have many cosmetic applications, you can put the content of a few capsules of Teens Vitality Soft Gels in your